guys, so I got 4 packages from Target today. I'm going to be opening them. So I'm going to start off with this one. And I'm just going to cut it all open. Okay. And inside of here is it's a little outfit, guys. So this is a little outfit, guys. And let me show it to you guys. It's so cute. I think it's the cutest thing ever. So what it is we have these, first of all, we have these little pants. And they have little like footprints on the bottom. They're so cute. And I got these in a size 3 to 6 months. So hopefully they'll fit him. And then I got this little onesie. Look at how cute it is. And then it came with a matching bib. Guys, how cool is that? That's so cute. And this was $9. And I got it in 3 to 6 months. I was going to get it in a 9-month, but then I thought, you know what? I'm just going to get it in 3 to 6 months. So, yeah. Okay. Yay, I'm so happy that this came. Okay, I'm going to put the garbage over. That's so cute. And then I wonder what is in here. I think it's another clothing item, but I'm not 100% sure. So I don't want to cut the product. Yay! Okay, so guys, this is another clothing item. And, okay. And this goes along with this onesie. Or it goes along with this outfit because I found this onesie and I was like, oh, this would go perfect with it. And I think it actually will now. And this is in a size 3 to 6 months as well. And it just is white and has a little dinosaur on it. And so I think that it will go perfect with these little bottoms. How cute does that look? There we go. So I think that'd be good. And it's really cute clothes, so I really like it. Okay, now for the big box. So those 2 clothing items are going to be for my brother's baby. So yes, and I decided to get him some clothing because I didn't really have that much boy clothing, really, but I did have lots of girl clothing because of Harlow. But yeah, and then I did decide to get them Easter outfits. You guys can go check out that video before. But I did decide to get them Easter outfits because I just thought that it would be a tiny bit easier. And yeah, I see some outfits in here. Yay! Okay, so we got some more outfits, and these I think are ones that can go into the diaper bag. This is kind of what I was going for. So yeah. Which I think that these are so cute because honestly they really are. Okay, so first of all, I got these pants, and these are by Cloud Island. And so we have these, oh, they're all together. Okay, well, anyways. First of all, we have these teal pants, which are adorable. And then we have these little ones that have clouds on them. They're kind of faint, but they're gray, and they have clouds on them. And then we just have these regular gray ones, okay? And then we have onesies to match it because I thought this can be something that can go into the diaper bag because this is super duper gender neutral. So the first one is this gray one. And then the next one is this pretty teal one. The third one is this one that has like stars and moons all over it. And then the fourth one is one that just has clouds on it. And this is a gender neutral outfit, I thought. So, yeah, that's super duper nice. Okay. And then I got an X-Acto knife because I thought that I just really needed one for the cutting stuff for my pacifiers. So, yes, okay. So I'm gonna add it all into that box. So, yeah. Okay, and then in the last box, honestly, I don't even really know what's in here, but it seems really full. So, yeah. So far, this box opening has been really good. I really like this box opening. This stuff looks like it has some good stuff in here, so hopefully it does. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And so, yeah, soon I'm going to be doing a diaper, what do you call that? A diaper review, so stay tuned for that. Oh, yay! Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is I got this Newbie Stage 3 little thing. And this is actually now going to be, this says 3+ months. I'm gonna cut this open so you guys can see it better. But this is now going to be for the little baby girl, because I thought that I had ordered 2, but actually I only ordered 1, and it came in purple. So yeah, but it's okay. So it's a little training cup, and I can add anything I want, and I love how it has a little hands on it. So in here, we have the little directions and everything, and then we have an extra nipple, which is great. And then the lid right here, this is a really cool part, is it comes off and it has a super duper giant nipple, which it looks like it's really easy to clean, which is fantastic because I love easy cleaning type stuff. So yeah, I'm so happy that we got this sippy cup. I've been wanting a sippy cup like this for so long, and I finally have one, and it's just in this really pretty purple color. That's why I said that the girl can have this. Okay, the next thing that I got was some soap, and I need some soap because my brother moved into his bathroom, and so I just got him a little thing of soap. And then the last thing, you guys are gonna hate me. You guys are gonna absolutely hate me, but I got this 1.9 lb pound of Sour Patch Kids. Now I know this probably wasn't the smartest idea, but I'm gonna throw some in a diaper bag hopefully. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Let's just go ahead and open, crank it up. Oh wait, guys, I have to say that. Don't worry. And let's just have one. And then it only filled up here, guys. So good. So, guys, that's everything that I got today. And I can't wait to see what comes in the next couple of days. I'll see you guys later. Bye.